Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is Thursday, May 5th, 2022, and today we are going to be starting the building of the hatchery of this farm. Just like I've told you earlier, that we are going to be doing a 20,000 capacity with concrete project and an hatchery and a house and other things. Now, today Thursday, we have just started with the hatchery, which is the first structure that we are going to be using on this farm. If you can see from the background and also from the screen, you will see that they started work already, started digging with the foundation of the hatchery, and all the process is going to be documented. If you want to get the update of all what is going on this farm, then click on the subscribe button, turn on notifications so that you don't miss any little thing. So let's go to building the hatchery on this farm.
My mind for days, I admit, man, I've been strange. Ay, self-inflicted, I'm the victim. I've been sitting, playing, wishing for a better day, a better day. Self-inflicted, I'm the victim. I've been sitting, playing, wishing for a better.
As you can see, they are still digging the foundation of each pond. Each hatchery pond will be 10 feet by 5 feet, and we are having 8 of it on this side. And we have a gutter in between it as well, and also the foundation for the house that will be on the hatchery. So everything is going on. This is around past 5 in the evening. Today, like I mentioned earlier, today is Thursday, May 5, 2022, and we are still on the course of building an hatchery pond in this very site in Ogun State. Keep on watching as we go on. Work is done today, and we finished digging the foundation, and work is done for today Thursday. The setting of the block for foundation starts tomorrow Friday for the hatchery. Still in Ogun State, Nigeria, we want to start building the hatchery, a 10 by 5 feet hatchery. 8 of it work begin tomorrow. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Daniel, and today is Saturday, May 7th, and today we are going to start setting the foundation for the hatchery house. Everyone is ready on the site. The blocks are in place at every location where it's going to be used. The granites and sand for the cement is being made, and everything is about to begin. If you would not subscribe, please click on the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and let's start the work that we came here to do.
This means we'll have to live and learn. Find out from the tactics that just didn't work. The way we always planned. It's not always clear as you thought to be, but just look in the mirror and then you will see the way it'll all work out. Somehow I know give it everything that you have. Give it all, yeah, give it all, give it everything that you have. Give it all, yeah, give it all, give it everything that you have. I know the first instance it might seem hard, my friend. That's why we're always home. That's why we're always home. It all works out for the better in the end. Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a...
So work is done for today, Monday, May 9, 2022. We're able to set all of the hatchery pond is ready. We built it to the end. It's just for it to the concreted level that plastered.
Temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today is Tuesday, May 10, and the work is still ongoing. The hatchery house is still ongoing. Like I said earlier, we have 10 feet by 5 feet hatchery house here. 8 of these, 4 is completed already. The remaining 4 should be completed today, and that is the work that is still ongoing presently. As you can see, we are still setting the block for each hatchery house, the remaining 4, and it should be completed today. Like I mentioned, all things being equal, the plastering and the flooring should be completed by Saturday. After this one, we are going to build the 20,000 capacity concrete pond once this is done. Keep on watching. If you have not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button, turn on notifications so that you don't miss anything. Share it to other people so that they could see the content that we are making and see the beauty of fish farming in this place in Nigeria and in Africa. The work for the pond is done. We've completed setting the blocks for the pond and everything is ready. 8 ponds, 10 feet by 5 feet by 2.5 feet is each pond, and we have 8 of them. Tomorrow we are going to start pouring concrete inside the block so that it holds water and it doesn't break out. the casting, like put the concrete into all the holes of the hatchery pond for all the ponds today, Wednesday, and also lay the outlet for each pond. As you can see, this is what was done today. We are still in Ogun State building the hatchery before we move to the next stage.